Okay, this is the Sony model ICF-C707 Dream Machine. This clock has 3 alarms, radio, alarm tone, and 5 outdoor nature sounds. It has a weekday, weekend set, dual alarm indicators and temperature, built-in audio cable, stereo mini plug and temperature sensor add to the crescendo alarm. It has a 10 to 60 minute snooze button and a 100-year calendar. Now, what I really like is the speaker on the side. It has some very simple controls on the top. Listen to the sounds. Kind of nice, huh? We'll listen to another one. And how about rain?